Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Fireflies AI account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you disconnect or remove your Google Drive from your Fireflies AI account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to disconnect or remove your Google Drive from Fireflies AI anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you connect the wrong account, so you need to disconnect your Google Drive. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Fireflies AI account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Fireflies AI account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to disconnect or remove your Google Drive, here on the left side, you're going to click on integrations. Once you do that, you're going to scroll through until you see the Google Drive logo right here. Or you can simply click into the search bar and just type in Drive and then click on Google Drive. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a green check mark, so your Google Drive is connected. If you don't have a green check mark, it doesn't matter because your Google Drive is not connected anyways. However, if it is like mine, you're going to have a couple of different options. So you're going to see a disconnect button right here and then also a disable button here. So if you want to temporarily disable sharing your meetings into your Google Drive, you can easily just click here, disable, and you can see that it changes to enable. So now my meetings are not going to be saved into my Google Drive. However, if I want to come back in and enable it, I can do that at any time. So this is more of like a temporary pause. But if you want to permanently remove your Google Drive, you're going to click on this purple button here, disconnect. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Google Drive is disconnected. So I'm not going to be able to share my meetings into my Google Drive unless I come back in here and make another connection between my Fireflies AI and my Google Drive. So the disconnect is going to be more of a permanent disconnection. Enable, disable is just something that's temporary. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to disconnect or remove your Google Drive from your Fireflies AI account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.